Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well and learning this English language in a great way. So in this video, I am going to share my today's journey. Actually, I didn't go to office today because I took a leave for today because I had some works and to our field. So I have come to our field to give water by water pumping to our land. So I before few minutes ago I have completed that work, and I at that time I thought I should make a video before going to our home. So actually, when we get free times, we should we should read something on English language, because we are who are new in this field, who are struggling to learn this language. So don't feel nervous any time. Don't feel. Actually, uh, today I have come to our field give give water by water pumping, but um, yet I took a book of English. This book name is Adversity Advantage. Okay, why? Why did I took this book? Because I want to learn this language effectively and be a fluent speaker in this language. So if you if you are trying to learn this language, you should give most of the time to this, because it is not our native language, it is our national language. So everyone who are uh, who are speaking comfortably and effectively, they also gave their time to acquire this language. Okay, so we have to give also the time to learn this language. So uh, here a gentle breeze means in Bengali mridu mando batas is blowing. So you can see the trees leaves are are shaking by wind. So beautiful, beautiful place, because village area are so beautiful. We love village area because from my childhood mm, I am seeing this type of environment to our beside us. So I am proud of it. Okay, so I hope you have understood what I wanted to say you. So I am going to stop this video. I will meet you in the next video soon. So who are new on my channel, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. So I will upload a new classes today. So this class is coming soon. Okay, so tata, bye.